Hey everyone, good morning, and right now it is technically afternoon for me, but I'm going to launch this rocket and you are going to be able to see if your predictions were correct. So this is attempt number 1. Okay, so we definitely got some flips on that one. I don't know if it got caught in the camera, but you can also see from my glasses that I did get wet. So now we are going to go retrieve the rocket for attempt number 2. So far so good. Okay, one more attempt. I did also 100% get wet on that. Okay, here we go. Last attempt. We will see if this one also goes off. Maybe we will get 100%. That'd be pretty nice.